Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to enable virtual reality in the Brave browser on your mobile device. If you want to explore VR content directly through your browser, follow these simple instructions carefully. First, open the Brave browser app on your mobile phone. Next, tap the three-dot menu located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select the Settings option from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Now, find and tap on the Virtual Reality option. Finally, turn the virtual reality setting on by toggling the switch from off to on. By following these steps, you will successfully enable virtual reality in Brave Browser Mobile, allowing you to enjoy immersive experiences online. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.